Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Today we're going to see and take a look at Imagine.art review. It's a platform that helps you with your AI content and it gives you 100 free credits every day. So Imagine.art is an AI creative platform that lets you generate images from text prompts, create short AI videos, and edit and enhance visuals. It's basically all-in-one AI art studio. Does it really give you free credits daily? Yes, but with conditions. You get 100 free credits every day. Credits reset every 24 hours, they don't stack, and each image or video generation uses credits depending on model, quality, and number of outputs. So it's free but limited usage per day. You get text to image, image to video, and multiple AI models in one place. You can access editing tools like enhancing or modifying images and the workflow system for advanced users. It's more powerful than basic AI generators. So as I said, you get free daily credits, high-quality outputs, multiple tools in one platform, and easy to start. Just type a prompt. Many users like its creative flexibility and variety. But on the other hand, credits run out quickly. Pro features locked behind subscription, sometimes slower generation needs, and learning curve for advanced tools. Some users report credit usage can be high and performance is slower. So, from community and reviews, we have great for testing AI tools, high-quality images, credits disappear fast, and free version feels limited for heavy use. So it's for beginners exploring AI art. So it's worth it if you want a free AI image tool and you're okay with daily limits. And it's not ideal if you need unlimited or a professional level outputs daily. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next video.